Today's topic underwriting. The term underwriting refers to the process that large financial service providers use to assess the eligibility of a customer to receive their products. The underwriting process is of a considerable importance for both the underwriter and the subject of underwriting, insurance companies, banks, lenders, and for that matter, any organization can take the underwriting process. Underwriting. Underwriting means the agreement with or without condition to subscribe to the securities of a body corporate when existing shareholders of body corporate or the public do not subscribe to the securities offered to them. Underwriting is an agreement entered into before the shares are bought before the public that in the event of public not taking up the whole of them, the underwriter will take an allotment of such part of the shares as the public has not applied for. Who is underwriter? Underwriter means a person who engages in the business of underwriting of an issue of securities of a body corporate. The financial services intermediary who arranges for the subscription of the issue of securities in the event of the issue not being taken up by the public and who firmly guarantees a capital issue is called underwriter. The financial service intermediary who arranges for the subscription of the issue of securities is called underwriter. Then we'll see functions of underwriter or responsibilities of underwriter. Purchase of securities. The main function of underwriters is to purchase the securities of financially sound companies either directly from the company or from the market. Distribution of securities. Underwriters distribute the securities to the real investors after entering into an agreement with the issuing company. Supplying information of companies. Underwriters supply important information with regard to investors' attitude, market conditions, etc. to the issuing company. They also suggest necessary changes in their financial plans. Supply of information to investors. Customers or investors in securities get valuable information from underwriter regarding the financial position and the policies of different companies. Sometimes their expert advice is published in research journals. Ensuring stability of prices. Underwriting provides stability in the price of securities by purchasing and selling various securities and by maintaining equilibrium in the demand and supply position of securities. Other services. Underwriters sometimes finance the projects of the company. They also inform the investors about opportunities, but this type of service is not popular in India. It is much popular in USA. Then underwriting agreement. A contract between an underwriter and the company issuing capital with regard to commitment of subscription of securities is known as underwriting agreement. The underwriter agrees to subscribe or procure subscription to a portion of the capital to be issued. In case the issue is not fully subscribed, the maximum liability of the underwriter being restricted to the amount of underwritten. Then types of underwriting agreement. Firm underwriting. Generally, underwriters agrees to buy such number of shares or debentures which are not being taken up by the public, but sometimes the underwriting agreement provides that underwriters will purchase certain shares themselves. Such an agreement of outside purchase of securities with underwriters is called firm underwriting. Then sub underwriting. In case of large issue, an underwriter does not wish to carry the whole risk on his shoulders. He may enter into a contract with other underwriter to share the risk. The contract entered into between the main underwriter and the other underwriters is called sub underwriting and other underwriters is called sub underwriters. Joint underwriting. When an issue of securities by a company is underwritten by two or more underwriting intermediaries jointly, it is called joint underwriting. The objective is to minimize the risk and share the benefit arising from capital issue. Syndicate underwriting. This is an underwriting agreement between the issuing company and two or more firms of underwriters to underwriters a large issue. When syndicate of underwriters by means of an agreement underwrites the issue of securities collectively is known as syndicate underwriting. Importance or benefits of underwriting services. Adequate funds. Underwriting being it's a kind of a guarantee for subscription of a public issue securities enables a company to raise the necessary capital funds. Underwriting agreement assures the company of the required funds with a reasonable or agreed time. Expert advice. Underwriters of repute often help the company by providing advice on matters pertaining to the soundness of the proposed plan, etc. Thus, enable the company to avoid certain pitfalls. Enhanced goodwill. The fact that the issue of securities of a firm or underwritten would help the firm to achieve a successful subscription of securities by the public. Assurance to investors. Underwriters, before underwriting the issue, satisfy themselves with the financial integrity of the issuer company and viability of the plan. Better marketing. Underwriters ensure efficient and successful marketing of securities of a firm through their network arrangements with other underwriters and brokers at national and global level. Benefits to buyers. Underwriters are very useful to the buyers of securities owing to their ability to give expert advice regarding the safety of the investment and the soundness of companies. Price stability. Underwriters provide stability of price of securities by purchasing and selling various securities. This ultimately benefits the stock market. Geographical dispersion of securities. Generally, underwriters maintain working arrangements with other underwriters and broken throughout the country and in other countries too. And as such, they are able to tap the financial resources for the company not only in on particular area but also in other areas as well. Thank you.